Old school purveyors of protein, however you want it sliced, ground, or smoked. You know, actual meat markets are a rare thing these days, and finding one that makes 28 varieties of their own sausage is like striking meaty gold. Here's co-owner Jared Poffenberger, who keeps this small town tradition alive.
We started small. My parents started the company in 1981, and since then we've grown. After 20 years, we put this building in place. We've added on to it 3 or 4 times in the last 15 years, and right now, man, it's going.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah, yeah.
Whether buying steaks for dinner or grabbing lunch, midday at the meat market is Bellville's rush hour.
We grind our hamburger daily. We sell chicken, we have pork, we have bacon, we have 6 jerkies, we have 5 dry sausages, 9 summer sausages.
Man, most people are good if they got, well, we got a regular and a jalapeno cheese.
Well, that used to be about it.
Hot links, garlic and German sausage, even a sweet chipotle which they smoke and dry.
Yeah.
That's phenomenal, man.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Oh, that's good.
I think this should hold me over, as they've offered to show me into the back, where Brother Marcus runs the show.
Wait, I gotta fix this.
Is that?
It's too pretty.
Yeah, I would like to wear my hairnets like a beret. You could just.
Oui.
This is where we make everything that we sell across the street.
This is the Rocky Cooler.
Yeah, this is a Rocky Cooler. We can beat them all up.
So a rancher can bring in the full cow. Y'all turn it into ribeyes and.
Yep, we turn the ribeye steaks,
Round
hamburger.
steaks.
We even smoke your brisket for you, make jerky out of it, whatever you want to do. So in here is the sausage kitchen. This is where all the sausage is made. And if you'd like, you can get in there and make some on your own if you want to give it a shot.
What?
Yeah, we'll let
I've
you make
never
some
made
sausage. Doctor, you're gonna have your hand on here and your other fingers here, and you're going to adjust the tension on the casing with the horn.
All right, here we go. Pop. Right there. That is the high mark of my sausage making career.
Good job.
I'm out.
To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com. Or here's some other videos you may like. Vaya con Dios, amigos.